I've been a wheelchair user for many years, and I was a kitchen designer before my injury, and for the first time we've got a fully accessible, inclusive kitchen that I think looks beautiful and works wonderfully well for all people, disabled people and their families.
Here at Innova Care Concepts, we're passionate about enhancing the quality of life for someone with complex care needs and those around them. We believe that accessibility can be seamless and design out the clinicalism. We can make things homely, we can make things look nice.
What makes a kitchen work for disabled people is bringing in a number of aspects. One individual item might help in a slight way, but it's bringing everything together. And one of the most wonderful things about the Freedom range is that it's totally dovetailed into the standard Symphony range. So you've got a really, really wide choice of colour and styles and finishes, which to me is very, very important.
So you are now welcome to come and visit our showroom where you can physically try the amazing accessible equipment that we've got here. Feel those height adjustable up and down worktops, feel the hide and slide cooker. You'll get a real experience of how simple things can make all the difference to someone who's maybe sat in a wheelchair or who can't access other kitchens.
I've designed over 2,500 kitchens in my career, accessible kitchens, and some of the letters that I get from clients really, it's what I love the most is when you actually take a client who hasn't been able to even make a cup of tea on their own for the last 5-10 years, and you can actually, through good design and positioning of appliances, etc. correctly, you can actually give them their independence. And to be told that someone has actually been able to make a meal for the first time in 15 years, or sometimes since birth, and they might be in their early 20s, it's a fantastic feeling to be able to achieve that.